80 years ago, a spark was ignited in the heart of Batangas. 6 men, bound by a vision, dared to build a sanctuary of learning amidst the echoes of war. Attorney Jesus A. Arguelles, the creative soul, a playwright, poet, and champion who taught us that the law is a profession, but art is a life well lived. Reverend Father Vicente R. Catapang, the pioneer scholar, our founding president, and one of the first to document the very history of Philippine education, a man of faith who defined our narrative even as it was just beginning to bloom. Mr. 𝗙𝗹𝗹, the disciplined leader, our second president and an elite athlete who proved that dreams are won through the sweat of hard work and the grit of determination. Attorney Francisco G. Perez, the public servant, a man so beloved by the people that his service was his only campaign, a dean and leader who defined what it means to be for the province. Mayor Roman L. Perez, the protector, the mayor who led his people to save our ancestral homes from the fires of war, a testament to leadership that stands firm even in the darkest hours. Attorney Pablo C. Umali, the working student's champion. From humble beginnings to the judge's bench, he is the living proof that poverty is no barrier to greatness for those who are willing to labor. 6 different paths, 1 shared destination. Today, their legacy isn't just etched in stone. It lives in every lecture, every discovery, and every student who walks these halls. In honor of our 80th founding anniversary, we gather to keep their wisdom alive. Diverse themes, timeless values, one university. This is the University of Batangas Founders Memorial Awards.